the intro career. Hey girl, playing this. Normally y'all get like a full-fledged intro and stuff and all that stuff and all that chickarati. Listen, that's nice. But your girl has been out here in these YouTube streets working hard. Okay? And I finally got my husband just bought my... So, before I open it, let me give you a little story time on exactly what happened. So, as y'all can probably tell, we about 37,000 subscribers late on the 100K plaque. But this is the thing, what had happened was, I assumed that they would just go ahead and send it out, but that's not what had happened. So, I just have to give a shout out to the real MVP of America, All of Destiny, because I was online, I was seeing, I ain't being a hater or nothing, but all these people that was getting a plaque before mine, and I'm like, excuse you girl, that's cute and stuff that you got your plaque, congratulations, but I got the 100K like way before you, so where's my plaque? So I ended up hitting up All of Destiny on Instagram, because we be talking and stuff, you know, hitting her up, and not only did she tell me like what to do, but she made like a quick little snippet, like, and you know on Instagram you can't go back and screen record, or else girl I would have screen recorded. Girl, like All of Destiny was in her room like showing me the stuff. So thank you, I followed the steps and I got my stuff. So let's open it. Yeah, because I don't want none of the weirdos see my address. Now we bring a knife. I think I got it now.
You just climbed.
Look, I don't care what y'all talk about. And I can see the clock. We ain't even been on here for 3 minutes yet. Y'all go listen to this, okay? Like, all them days I was filming, all them late nights and stuff, editing, and y'all, look, I just... Look, I really have issues, but like, oh my God. So I'm gonna read what they wrote, even though I'm sure they sent everybody like the same letter, but this one's mine, so you're gonna listen to it again. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You've achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I think I'm a little funny. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we like to recognize all of your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. They're talking about you guys. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. I think my kids are taking a nap. Presented to cyndoll for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm like super excited, you guys. So that's it. It's a really quick one. My unboxing video, you guys have seen these 50 millions of times, but I have worked really hard for this one, and I just wanted to come show it to you guys. This is my unboxing of my 100K award, and I just want to thank my mama. And I just want, don't walk past here shaking your hair. I just want, hold on, I gotta come closer. I just want to thank my mama and everybody out here in the streets. I want to thank my daddy, even though he didn't ascend to be with the Lord, You know what I'm saying? But I told you it was gonna, she said B.O.B. holding it down. Mama, we back out here in these streets. We done got here. This just my first award. And after this, I'm about to go platinum. And then I'm gonna go gold. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding, you guys. But no, I'm not. I'm like dead serious. I love you guys so much. Make sure you leave me some comments below. Say congratulations, Cyn. Thumbnail. Oh God, just hold it up. You know, so that is it, you guys. I just want to, you know, come on here and do my unboxing video of my 100K plaque, and you will see her all the time. I think we're gonna give her a name. One Kayla. So one Kayla is gonna be in the background of all of our videos. One Kayla is her name. Hello. My name is One Kayla. Nice to meet you. She worked really hard for me. I love you guys so much. And until my next video, bye girl. Bye girl. I'm One Kayla. Peace out.